In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color grade in Photopea. By the end, you'll know how to give your photos a cohesive mood using a simple, non-destructive workflow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Photopea. Once it loads, look for the option that says Open from Computer. Click it and choose the image you want to work on. Photopea works with common formats like JPEG and PNG, and it opens quickly, so you should see your photo appear on the canvas with a Layers panel on the right. To keep your edit flexible and reversible, we'll use an adjustment layer. Go to the top menu and click Layer, then choose New Adjustment Layer. From the list that appears, select Color Balance. This creates a new adjustment layer above your image so you can tweak the look without permanently changing the original. You'll see the color balance controls appear, usually in the Properties panel. Color grading here revolves around three tonal ranges: midtones, shadows, and highlights. Start with midtones, since that's where most of your image information lives. You have three sliders: cyan red, magenta green, and yellow blue. Move them gently to nudge the overall mood. For a warmer sunset feel, add a touch of red and yellow. For a cooler, moody look, lean toward cyan and blue. Small moves go a long way. Aim for subtle shifts rather than dramatic swings. Next, switch the target to shadows. Here you can deepen atmosphere by introducing a hint of blue or cyan for a cinematic vibe, or add a bit of red for a richer, warmer base. Then move to highlights to fine-tune the brightest areas. A slight push toward yellow can enhance golden light, while a touch of blue can clean up whites for a crisper feel. If you see brightness changing too much, make sure the Preserve Luminosity option is enabled so you're affecting color without drastically altering exposure. If the effect feels strong, reduce the adjustment layer's opacity in the Layers panel to blend it more naturally with the original. You can also change the adjustment layer's blend mode for creative looks, but normal with careful sliders is often all you need. To evaluate your result, toggle the visibility of the color balance layer on and off using the little eye icon. This before and after view helps you spot whether your colors are consistent and pleasing. Zoom in and out to check skin tones, sky, and neutral areas like whites and grays. That's it, your color grade is applied, clean, and fully editable. If you want to refine it later, just return to the color balance layer and adjust the sliders again. Thanks for watching and enjoy crafting your unique look in Photopea.